Hello everyone. In the previous session, we have seen how to download the file in the same window. In today's session, we will see how to download the file in a different window. How to do it? Let us explore. So now I have to download this file. If I click on this file, something happens, but what happens we will see. But before that, whenever you usually download a file, there will be prompting showing you that the file is getting downloaded. Not only that, there will be a file which you will find it in the downloads folder also. But that happens without Sahi. But with Sahi, all of this will not happen, but the file will get downloaded in a folder known as temp. How to do all of this? Let us explore. So for that, I have to click on this. When I click on this, the file is getting downloaded in the temp folder, but you will not get that file in this window. You will not get it. Why? Because we will be working on only HTML and your PDF don't have the HTML content, and that is why that is not getting displayed. But if you ask me, is really file is getting downloaded or not? Let us see. For that, let me go to console. You can notice already the file is getting downloaded is what console is telling you. And now let me go to my temp folder also. If you notice in my temp folder, my file is getting downloaded, and this is the proof that the file is already downloaded. But now, if you go to here, you can notice one blank page you are getting. But I want this window to get closed. So for that, what we should do? What we got here is the PDF content, not the HTML. If I have to close this window, I have to give the HTML content to it. Question arises, how I should give. So let me get my Sahi controller now. Where is it? Let me get it. Here's my Sahi controller. And now I have to give my HTML content. And here we go. This is my HTML content and I'm giving there. If I run this, awesome. Let me go here and click on this file once again. And when you do that, you can notice now this window is showing me an option to close the window because you have supplied an HTML content to it and your Sahi is able to identify it. And now I have to close this window. When I click on it, you can notice the new window which got generated to download the file is getting deleted. Now let us write the script on how to download the file in a new window. Close that new window and go to the original window. How to do it? Let us explore. So for this, we have to write the script. For that, I have to go to the editor. This is my editor. Let me create a brand new script. Let me create a script. And now I have to write a script. So already my script is ready. I'm putting that script here. All of these lines are there, and what is the meaning of these lines? The line number 1, assert null. So first it will check the last downloaded file is null or not. And after that, this HTML response should be given when the file is getting downloaded. And that is why I've given there true. And after this,
you have to identify the button that downloads the file and use that identifier in the script.
Awesome. And now you have to wait till the file is getting downloaded, and that is what I'm showing there in the next. And after that, I am checking there the last file which is downloaded, is it equal to the file name? What is the file name? That is a testcases.pdf. So that you should tell it here. So the same thing I will tell it. This is testcases.pdf. Awesome. And after that, it is checking. Is that last downloaded file name, is it not equal to null? If that is true, then this file what you are downloading, in which path you are saving it, that you should tell it here. In which path I am saving it in? Let me give an example for you. Say for example, there is a C drive. Inside C drive, there is one folder known as Sahi. And inside this, I want to store. That is why you have to follow this path now. How to do it? I will go behind on this Sahi, I will right click and I will copy as path. I'll come to my script and in this case, instead of this, where I want to store, that I will do it and this is how I will do it. And that you should put it within double quotes and I will remove it. Outstanding. So now, inside Sahi, my file is saving and the name of the file is test save as .pdf. Let me put it in this fashion. Very good. After saving my downloaded file, what you should do is you have to clear the last downloaded file. And after that, you have to check is that last downloaded file is null or not using this statement. And after that, you have to close the pop-up window. Which one you should close? There is a window named file downloaded. That window you are closing. And if you notice there, that is the name of the window, file downloaded. And that window you have to close it because sometimes there will be a lot of windows opened, but you have to specify which window you have to close. What is the name of the window? File downloaded, and that is what I am selecting. After selecting this window, I am closing this window. And after closing this window, you are going to the main window, and that is what I am telling. So after doing all of this, you have to make this response after file download as false, and that is what I'm doing. So this is my script. Let me give the name as file download new window. Awesome. So after that, I will save it. After saving it, now I have to run the script for that. You have to click on this playback, continue anyway, and run. If I run this, you can notice the file is getting downloaded in the new window. And after that, it is closing that existing window and going back to the new window in this way. I hope all of you understood how to download the file in the new window. Now, I have to download the file from a different domain altogether. How to do this? Very simple. You can notice this is the existing script what we have. So after assert null, you have to put one statement there. This is the statement. What is that? addToSession you have to call, and within double quotes from which domain you are downloading, that you should tell. And that is the third way of downloading the file. I hope all of you understood how to download the files using Sahi. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you soon.